Okay. IKEA Grand Opening. I don't want to get in his way while he's taking a picture. There's a line of people. Not too bad of a line. Line's getting pretty long. Oh wow, Melanie, it goes all the way back past that other store. Yeah, it goes almost to the Chinese buffet place. But there's a lot of people standing out here in the parking lot. I gotta see.
So this guy's who we are. This guy's gonna go tell him they have to go.
Probably, yeah. Here comes security. He's gonna tell him, get off the street. Get out of the parking lot. Okay, so waiting for the IKEA to open. Had to go bathroom. Look at this. They got a nice porta potty. This is crazy. Big line of people. Big and waiting. Wow. So what's your name?
My name's Nakia.
Nice to meet you, Nakia. I'm Daylene.
I'm sorry.
I'm Daylene.
Talk with this.
That's okay.
I subscribed on my other channel too, so you got 50.
Okay.
Ale.com.
Ale.com. Okay. I know. I love this thing. I love it.
Wanted to get one of the. Actually,
We got the creator kit from.
got a Osmo Nano.
Yeah, we got this on Amazon. We paid like $600 and something for the creator kit with the tripod, the case, everything.
That's great. I just
Yeah.
looked at it. It's $1,000.
Yeah. Oh man.
It's really, really good.
Yeah, love it.
I
Oh, uh-oh.
You should be getting the spare bags if you want to spill them.
Oh, those bags are big. Those are big bags.
No, these are the 10-gallon medium ones.
10-gallon bags.
We bought a bunch of those when we moved our daughter into a dorm.
Aren't they so fantastic?
They are amazing.
They're handy for you. I do Walmart deliveries and I use the big ones for
Oh, that's cool.
We have those at home still. We love them. They last forever.
It goes, and goes that way. Yeah, that way, and then comes back.
Hopefully
Yeah.
we're part of it.
Yeah. Hopefully. Yep.
Just safety.
Right.
Yeah, those are the best.
Get back behind her in here. That's cool. That line is huge. Yeah, drawing stuff. $500 gift card. Nice. Nice. They're drawing gift cards. Drawing things. Hopefully they make it on us.
25.
Nice. Well, hopefully she makes it back here. Right? England Adventure. Yeah. England. Like with the A. Just like the country, but with an A. Yeah. So, if the gift card's going to make it here. Okay. I haven't posted any from here in the short this morning because I'll have to edit everything.
Yeah, please do that.
I can pull those from here and onto my phone and use like CapCut. And is it gonna make it? Here she comes. Is there enough gift cards? Well, you get one. Okay. Warm your hands up. Are you ready, Melanie?
I'm ready.
Nice. So you got 10?
10.
Okay. What'd you get?
$10.
Okay.
Free money.
If you get a more expensive one, you got to trade me because I drove.
10, huh? $10 IKEA card. Okay. What'd you get? 10. Oh, they took off. Okay, we're at IKEA Grand Opening in Birmingham, and the plane goes across the front, all down across the front of the stores. They've come through and given us bags and our choice of socks, frisbee, or water bottle, and also gift cards. We each got a $10. People ahead of us, or behind us, one of them got a $500. So it's pretty cool. Of course, all the media here. I'm going to the car to get our copies.
How about you?
They got free stuff for the kids. That is so cute.
Meerkat?
A meerkat
That has
or a
nice
lion.
little loop on the top. You can attach it to a backpack.
Oh, that is cute.
Oh, it should take a while. Okay, great.
Okay, they're coming with free coffee and cinnamon. Right? Yeah. Finally going inside. Yeah, I know. I know. Well, it looks like most of the media have left. Now they have the ribbon cutting. Hi, thank you for your service, man.
How are you? How old are you? You're 5?
Yeah.
Big for 5. I got one of you at home. You don't scare me, all right?
Yeah.
Oh, no. You got a whole army home.
Oh, gee. She's looking at her dancer.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. So good. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. That's kind of cool, right? Well, now we know where the dress went. Go ahead. Oh, that's kind of nice. They're welcoming committee. Okay, well, should we shop?
Ready to start shopping?
Yeah. Melanie's waiting for our Swedish meatballs. I got a hot, but man, this place is jumping. Lots of stuff happening. Here comes Mel. You're okay. What you got? Awesome.
What do you want for-
I'm gonna go right there and put stuff in. Awesome. Cool. Oh, we were standing by these is
Yes.
in line, and he won the $1,000.
I'll show.
Yeah, let's see that.
Now, the monkey.
I forgot what's your name.
Jordan.
Jordan. Okay. There it is. Oh, right there. $1,000.
Boom.
Be furnishing your rental.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Getting all
Be a
that good
smart
stuff.
picker. Pick
Yeah,
things
we
that
have to
check them
we have to
out.
get some girls' input. So.
Okay, so we played Plinko on some raspberry cookies. Brian loves those, so it's perfect. Okay, time to leave IKEA. It's fun, but now we're done. Okay, Melanie's taking me a place called Edgar's. You're not in it.
It's okay.
You don't like to be. They have all kinds of baked goods, yummy stuff, wraps, salads. They got all kinds of good stuff. Cinnamon pecan. What's that?
Cheese straw sampler. We're gonna get a cinnamon roll. Thank you.
How much do you have?
For here. For here, 2 of them.
Ew, I don't like those. They taste like... No, didn't care for them. Do they have chocolate croissants?
If I was going to use cinnamon roll, you want?
Yeah, chocolate ones.
Yeah, I can get one.
That'd be better for me than a cinnamon roll because I like croissants.
We'll give the cinnamon roll to somebody at home. They can fight over it.
Why do you get two or something?
Yeah, I was getting two.
Oh, it's cheesecake on a stick. That's funny. It's frosted cheesecake, like chocolate chips on a stick. Okay, there is our cinnamon roll. Yum.